Hey everybody, welcome to Brick Hive. So, before I get into this speed build of this really awesome old Star Wars set from 2011, really cool set, been wanting this. Got some news. As you can see behind me, I got the Lego room finished. So, I've only done a few things so far. I've gotten some shelves up, as you can see behind me. I did a whole row of all of my Star Wars ships. I got a couple from the Marvel Universe, you know, the Quinjet, the Benatar from Guardians of the Galaxy. I got some of my minifigure cases hung up, and basically I'm trying to just get everything straightened out before I even start putting the city up, because I want to make sure everything around the city is going to be done, so that way nothing gets in the way and I can just start kind of building it back up. So yeah, I finally got it done. We're still going to get some new doors put in, but that's not really going to affect anything. I might have to move a few things, but nothing crazy. And eventually we might get some new windows in, but again, that's later on. So, but yeah. So we got the walls painted. I had to do actually 3 coats because I had to do a couple coats of mud after I put paint on it. And then you start seeing some more stuff. So I had to mud that and sand it and paint it again. Then we got the floors done and baseboards put up and quarter round. And yeah, that was about it. So it's been a long road, but now I have my Lego room back. And everything is right in the world. So once I get more stuff straightened out, it looks a little bit nicer. I'll do you know, like a tour of the room and show everybody what the Lego room here is all about. So anyways, all right, so we're going to go ahead and do the speed build of this Imperial V-Wing Starfighter. Like I said, it's from 2011. I believe it's from the movie Revenge of the Sith. Good stuff. Like I said, I've been wanting it for a while, and I saw it on eBay for a really good price. It was practically a steal, so I went ahead and picked it up. So, alright, so let's get into the speed build.